House Plan 5538 is a 3,025 square foot home with striking modern style. With a tight footprint and tons of windows, it fits into neighborhoods and offers awesome daylighting potential. Step inside the bright foyer and you'll notice the den behind a pocket door. It's an ideal location to be a home office or perhaps a guest room. In any case, the den provides closed, formal space to balance the very open layout deeper inside. A small full bathroom has hall access as well as a door to the den. The family foyer is directly across from the bathroom. It has tons of storage and connects the interior to the tandem 3-car garage. Step all the way through the entrance hall and you will be greeted by a spacious great room at the rear of the house. The huge kitchen island that easily seats 5 is the only partition in this main living area. There's room for a more formal dining arrangement nearby. With all this countertop and cabinet space, the kitchen is here to serve. These nifty windows help keep your work surface lit too. Anybody cooking can easily serve a kids playing inside or in the backyard. The outdoor space is perfect for enjoying warm evenings and you can easily host between here and the great room. All the bedrooms are upstairs. Let's start exploring rooms starting with the door on the far right side. This bedroom has a walk-in closet and it overlooks the front yard. Across the hall we have another forward-facing bedroom. This one has huge windows perfect for the morning person in the family. Next door, the laundry room is centrally located to serve everybody easily. Then there's a hall bath with double vanity and separate shower/toilet room. Just across the gallery and near the top of the stairs, you will find a side-facing bedroom with a walk-in closet. There's a large bonus room at one rear corner of the house, perfect to give kids their own space. The master bedroom takes up the other rear corner. You'll have an easy time waking up with tons of natural light. And the private impressive ensuite is tucked behind a pocket door. You will find 2 vanities split across the bathroom, each with more than enough elbow room and storage for an individual. With a soaking tub, a huge walk-in shower, and a private toilet closet, you'll want for nothing. Of course, a huge walk-in closet completes the suite. You'll notice this home was built mirrored from the house plan. Come see House Plan 5538 on our site to see more gorgeous images from another build. Please like and subscribe to be notified of future house tours and don't hesitate to contact us if you need help finding your dream home.